so I was doing a little bit of... Where do I hear like galloping? So I was doing a little bit of the light ride. And I decided to start filming some of it, and it echoed. I decided to start filming some of it. So yeah, comment down below, any video ideas. Okay, so we're just chillaxing over here at the light ride, walking. Nothing too interesting. And now we're talking to Alex, and now help. And then we're gonna go investigate the source of the scream. We heard a scream, so let's go investigate it, I guess. That's what they said. So, oh god. Wow, that was great. I'm going to investigate source of the... Oh god. Okay.
I was wondering where they want me to
She's on the ground. Oh my gosh.
She's just on the ground.
Okay. We're healing with magic.
I wish we could do that.
Am I dead is what she's... Okay, so now we're gonna go follow tracks and look for her horse, I assume.
We're going to Jasper, so just...
Also, could you please hit that subscribe button down below and like this video if you did? Yeah. So let's continue looking for this horse.
Her horse is pretty.
Yeah, don't spoil it. Well, I've already seen what her horse looks like. I just, you know, don't spoil anything, really, ever. Also, comment down below if you bought a Mirari. I filmed a video about it. I just, and I posted it. I'm going to be buying a Mirari on Saturday, so watch the video that I'm going to post on that. Trails and Linda. So Linda has arrived, but we have to calm this horse down. So we did it. Okay, so now I assume me and Linda are just going to go on a ride alone, I guess. I don't know. Oh, okay, ask for Jasper that. Jasper. I'm just like skipping through this really quickly.
Because we need to get to Catherine's names.
Let's talk.
I read it. It's the first time I ever read it.
Catherine is the name of the girl. Oh, I just declined it. Bob, Linda. Okay. I'm just skipping through this really quickly.
I have those videos to find Catherine's movies because I haven't never found them in 5 years. There's supposed to be one here. Wow.
Okay, so we are meeting. We have more ones. I'm just talking about. So we're going to go ahead and head up there. Summer Lily is getting kind of close to level 9. I hope you guys can see my whole screen, is what I'm hoping. I hope you guys can see my level and everything, like that. Yeah. Okay. Okay, then. This was 1. Let's do it then. That seems to be it. Okay, that's here. Up and okay, Linda. I need to hold you. Okay, well, I think that's going to be all for this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I'm hoping to see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.